Things you're doing wrong when looking for a side hustle, part 2. If you haven't already, check out part 1. You want to start a side hustle? You know you have to learn it, but you want to learn it for free. I know, everybody wants to save some money, right? And YouTube is full of free information, but that won't get you far. I tried this myself when I first started, and guess what? How much did I make? Those videos are only basic information that you can find by yourself online. They won't teach you real strategy, give you all information needed, help you with your mindset. They only making those videos for views and to sell you something. So if you really want to give it a go with a side hustle, no matter which one, find out who is already giving you those information but already has the results you want to have. Will help you to fill the gap between being a newbie and having a success. And there's plenty people out there who are willing to share the information with you, but not for free. But that doesn't matter because it's worth it to pay for the information to fill this gap. It will get you there faster and safer. I know, I was skeptical as well towards online courses. But that's the only way that can help you, that can teach you things that you haven't even know that you need to learn. By the way, most of them offer refunds, so if you're not satisfied, just ask your money back. But don't run away from everything that's asking you for money. Sure, they will make some money, but the one who profits the most is you. Because if you take the information learned and run with it, you can make the most money out of it. So don't be afraid to spend some money online and think how much value you can gain out of it. We're living in a digital world and self-education industry is booming. So learn how you can get piece of a cake too. Check out part 1 and follow me for more.